I'm here with Bennett Chen from Neurolab. Bennett, thank you so much for being an incredible panellist on tonight's event, all about ALMAC. Tell us about Neurolab and why it's so important.
Okay, thank you for having me, Lawrence. So Neurolab, what we do, we actually help industries adopt AI. So we believe technology can help to make a better world, okay? And we also believe technology can help maximize the potential for individuals as well as business. So what we do is we help the industries identify the business values that AI can generate, because adopting a new emerging technology is usually the first thing we say, where do we apply it on? So we help them identify the business value and then take them on the journey.
And I was fascinated, you specialise in supply chain in the aviation sector as well.
Yes, I mean, our background, a lot of our colleagues are ex-aviators, okay, and with the recent recovery of the aviation industry. So, one of the biggest problem is we don't have enough staff.
Yeah.
Okay, the demand it's more than what we can supply. So and also experience loss. A lot of the staff actually have left the industry. So right now we believe it is the perfect moment to introduce the technology to help retain the experience in the technology and use technology to help to augment the people to do the work.
And AI and technology overall, I think Hong Kong's really innovative and one of the world leaders, isn't it?
Yes, in fact, like in Hong Kong, like we've got the Hong Kong Science Park, we've got Cyberport, so there's a lot of investments. We've got great institutes that generate a lot of technology graduates to supply the industry. Yeah.
Wonderful. Now, Bennett, I know that we're really encouraging Australian companies to get to ALMAC and see how all this technology and transformation is taking place. How do you see the value and why it's so important for Australian companies to go there and immerse themselves in all these new innovations?
I think the world. I mean, we are in aviation, so maybe I'm a bit biased. Okay, everyone is connected. Okay, and we can't do everything by ourselves. So having working together, having the network. Industries, when we talk about AI, I mean, one of the things that we need is the data. Yeah. So collaboration between the industry players to get together, share the data, so we can identify the great opportunities.
Yeah. One of the big takeaways I heard from your presentations and discussions tonight was that AI is very complementary and augmentative. It's not trying to replace any jobs or humans. It's actually trying to get the most out of that and fill the gaps and optimize.
That's right. I mean, so that's why it's very much aligned to our vision. It's to maximize the potential of people, so that they can do more for what they have, and then also for businesses, because to be sustainable. I mean, you can't grow you can't just forever just bring in more equipment and all that, which is some of it is carbon emission. So we need to know how to maximize the utilization. So that's where technology and AI can help.
Well, congratulations on the achievements so far. I can see it's just the tip of the iceberg, and you're really shaking up not just the supply chain sector or the aviation sector, but business in general. So congratulations.
Thank you.